Oh my God. Literally, as soon as I want to start recording, there's a train.
Pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me.
Hi, my name is TrenijahG. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas day 11. Ooh. I thought of a video and I was like, oh, actually, it'll be a great video just to sit down, talk, you know, update them on how my life has been while I'm wrapping gifts. But then I saw this and I cannot wait. So we're gonna do a unboxing. This item I've been actually wanting for a very long time. So I originally saw it. I was waiting to see if I can get it cheaper because it was like $200 around all the time. Ooh, I'm out of breath. But then I saw on Poshmark they were selling the hand and also the book. Different people, but they were selling it way cheaper. So the book I got was like $60 and the stand I actually got it for free because I used my points that was on Poshmark. But I believe that one was still under $100. The hand came, but the book didn't come. She canceled it. She was like, oh, I'm out of the US, I'll mail it back to you, you know, once I get back. I was like, okay, sure. I checked on this girl like 5 different times within a year span. It was like, oh, if you didn't want to sell it, why put it on there? But I ended up keeping the hand. I was going to sell it, but I ended up keeping the hand because I saw the book on Macari and it was cheaper. But with everything coming together, like with the service fee, the taxes, the shipping and all that, it was still $200. I'll put the exact, if I want to, on the side. But this is the book. It's been sitting a while because I wanted to wait till like most of my stuff had come. But I think they said the book itself was like 8 pounds. I did not bring the hand, but I'm gonna use a knife because I don't know what I did with my scissors. And I am going to unbox this. Yay. I also don't want to damage the book because the last time I did that, it was with the Ivy Park book and I had got a scratch in it. Also, I'm mad that the art book is still hasn't been restocked. Restock that damn art book. I will never forgive myself. I will never forgive myself. Because I saw it and I was like, oh, I'll do it when I get home because I was at work. And I was like, oh, I'll do it when I wake up. That shit was sold out. It was sold out. And I could have got it. I was just being lazy. So something that's $75 is going to probably cost $300 when people will start selling it. Or even probably $500. Because she rarely restocks. And I said that to a freaking coworker, and my ass still waited. Okay. This took a very long time to get here. It said it was going to be delivered at the beginning of a month, but it took like literally 2 to 3 months to get this because they lost it. They had to find it. We had to put it in some type of like, you know, call UPS. The seller did. I was like, if it don't come to me, I won't get this. I won't even try to get this again. But it did. I was surprised. I was a little scared there for a moment. It's so much bubble wrap on here. It's like 3 layers of bubble wrap. But you can kind of see the Rihanna lookbook. one more layer to go. Oh my. Oh my gosh. This is so huge. Oh my gosh. So this is literally pictures of her life. All into one lookbook. This is the lookbook of all lookbooks. If you don't know, I collect them. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Not me hugging it. This is my child. I'm so happy. It does have a little bit of marks and indications in it, but not to where it's like, oh my gosh, why did I pay for this type thing? Because you can barely see it. You can just see Rihanna's face. I also had the option to get the other one that had like the pale pink instead of the bright pink. I really wanted the black one, but that's a limited edition and that's like over $1,000. But I'm gonna kind of show y'all some of them. Rihanna. It's not Rihanna. It's Rihanna. It's Rihanna. Ooh. Damn, I almost messed it up. And I messed up again. It's Robin Rihanna Fenty from Barbados. Look at Okay. Edited by Jean O'Hill. All right. So, try to prop it up to where y'all can see. Oh my gosh. This is when I get my own place. Oh, she's gonna be one of the stars. She's definitely gonna be one of these stars. And the pictures are so high quality, y'all. They are. Oh my gosh. I just love the aesthetic. Bad girl Riri. She's so beautiful. Is that her signature? I think that's her signature. Oh, it folds out. Ooh. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. That's nice. Oh, Rihanna, when she was a teen. I'm gonna give y'all closer looks of it at the end of the video. But this is amazing. Like everybody, well, not everybody can do a lookbook, but lookbooks are done and they're done great. But not everybody can make this big ass lookbook. This is the Loud era. Okay. Let me go all the way to the middle of the look. Navy life. All the fans. Can you imagine like just how Beyonce Renaissance concert was like she was actually showing the fans. You go and you buy her lookbook and you see yourself front and center. Like you can actually make out your face. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh yeah. I feel like I should be listening to her music right now. Oh my god. I'm gonna skip. This is so cool. Icon Awards with her mother. Y'all, I'm so glad I got this. So when I'm bored or something, I really get them because they spark so much inspiration to me. So it's not just like having the book and having like a collector's item. When I look at it, I really feel inspired. I'm like, hey, this girl was in Barbados with her mom in her neighborhood. Now she's a billionaire. Now Beyonce is a billionaire and the greatest performer of our generation. How can you not be inspired? Like, hey, yes, I'm starting from here, but it doesn't mean that I'm gonna end right here. I can have so much to look forward for in the future. But yeah, the lookbook of Rihanna. Oh my gosh. When I tell you this thing is heavy, it's heavy. It's really heavy. But if you like video like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, my loves. Mwah.